Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share a Viber contact via Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Viber on your device and tap on the conversation where you want to share the contact. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or colleague. Once you've opened the conversation, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see a plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it to reveal additional sharing options. After tapping the plus icon, a menu will appear showing various content types you can share within the conversation. Look for and tap on the option labeled Contact. This feature allows you to share contact information directly from your phone's contact list, making it easy to connect people without having to manually type out phone numbers or other details. Now you'll see your full contact list displayed on the screen. Scroll through your contacts and tap on the specific contact you want to share with this person. The moment you tap on the contact, Viber will automatically send it to the conversation. There's no need to confirm or press a send button. The contact card will be shared instantly, allowing the recipient to save it directly to their own contact list if they choose. And that's it. You've successfully shared a contact through Viber, making it quick and convenient to help your friends and family connect with others. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.